Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial video on backend web development using Laravel. In this video, we will cover what Laravel is, how to set up your development environment, install Laravel, and configure it for your project. So let's dive right in. Laravel is a powerful PHP framework for building modern web application. It is also known for its elegant syntax, building tools for routing, authentication, and database management, and its ability to streamline development. So before we move ahead, let us just do some quick overview on backend development. So it is not a new thing to you that backend focuses on the server side, database, and the APIs that power web application. It is the backbone of any dynamic website or application. So Laravel, it simplifies common backend tasks such as database migration, data handling, database handling, and server-side logic with its robot tools. So let's just um, talk about setting up your development environment. So to start with, you will need PHP installed in your system. You need Composer and a web server like Apache or Nginx, and a database like MySQL for convenience. And but in this video, I'm going to use XAMPP. So to install XAMPP, just go um to their website. This is it. So then install for Windows user. This is it for Linux user and for Mac users. But I'm on Windows machine right now, so I'm going to install Windows. So once it is done install, you just come right here, then you start your Apache, then start your MySQL, then um your server start running. Then you you need Composer installed in your system. So you go to their website, just come to getcomposer.org/downloads. So then you just click on this composer setup.exe. Just click on it, then it will start downloading. So I have it already installed in my system. So to make it work, just go to your file manager, then come to these three dots here, click on properties, then um coming coming. So alright, so you press this PC, then right click on it, then come to these properties here, then I'm coming, it's loading. So once it loads finish, it will take you to your settings. So you come to this advanced settings, you click it. So you come to your environment variable, click on your environment variable. On these system variables, so you edit it, you just click on path. So this is your path here, this is the path. So edit, then add it. So I have XAMPP already. So if you do not have XAMPP, if you have XAMPP installed, just write this. Your XAMPP should be installed in this directory, then copy, then paste it here, or you copy the one you are seeing on the screen right now. Then for your, what's it called, for your composer, this is my composer setup. Your composer should also be installed in this directory in your system, so you can copy mine, just paste it there. So if it is not on your system, just press new, then write the name for here, like something like this, um then you write your slash slash, then all. So but I have it already here, so let me just cancel it. So um so this is done, then you go to your command line. So let me just terminate this. So we want to know if there is composer in our system, so just say composer, composer dash dash version, then enter. So it should bring the version of composer that is installed in our system. So you can see I have composer version 2.8.2, which is the latest as at now, and I also have PHP version 8.2.12, which is the latest version for now. So we have our environment set up. So once that is done, to install um Laravel on your system, you just say composer create dash project, then Laravel slash Laravel slash Laravel, then you click enter. So once that is done, it will install everything we need for our Laravel project. So let's wait. It's creating a new project. So wait till it's done. Then um in the next video we are going to look at the folder structures, the files, what you are going to be working with. We shall continue, we'll continue in the next video. So our composer is installing, our Laravel is installing already. So thank you for watching this video.